Oi, I'm Louie Jessup. Welcome back to another video. As you may recall, I bought this F250 and saved it from a farm. And she's pretty grimy, she's pretty gross. But in this video, we're going to be taking care of the interior, getting her nice and clean like. It's got all sorts of crap back here. And under the seat is even worse. So we're going to be pulling this seat out and getting everything spick and span cleaner than not a canned ham, because it's already clean as a can of ham. But let's dive into it. I think the source of the bad smell is coming up from under here. Just all sorts of crap. Luckily the seat is only held on by 4 1/2-inch bolts. So we'll get this thing out in a jiffy. So I saved myself a lot of headache and went ahead and put some PB blaster on the 4 bolts, because I noticed that this might not be fun. And she seems to be going all right, but I can't say too much. It's only the first bolt. Just by sliding the seat forward, I can already see the nightmare we're in for. Holy crap, that's an iPod. Huh. Nice. That's a gift right there for Valentine's Day if I've ever seen one. Aha. Keeper. Come on out there. Well, it ain't that bad. Just I regret that very much. It's very dirty. Ugh. Well. What else do we have up in here? I already found the iPod. We got a generic grandma bowl. Is that a rotor? Hot dog. Oh, she's used. Look, it'll let you know it's a 6-cylinder. Oh man, that's a brand new U-joint right there. That's a keeper. Oh, a box of crap. Ooh, what is that? That's a new one as well. Nice. Looks like some copper. Winning. Oh, this is just... I don't even want to know what this stuff is. There's like stuff fused in it. That's my screwdriver. Don't get confused with my tools. Just a delicacy. I had to take a seatbelt off to get the crap out. Yeah, I'm gonna get a trash can. A nickel, making money. The penny right there. Hot dog, 6 cents. Oh, there's more. Yes. Get in there. Engine. Oh, this. We're going to clean the motor. Yes. This truck. Oh, ranch. Oh, empty. Of course. No one saves a ranch. I don't know what this is. But check out this custom fuse. It's all the amperage. That's a keeper. Now we're going to save my speakers, because they're working right now until we come up with something better. Bag of something. Oh, yuck. Oh, what even is this? I think I found the factory battery hold down. That's pretty cool. But Ford truck, the original paperwork for it. That's cool. There's a carpet on top of the mat. Oh, nice. Not all destroyed. Well, that's one trash bag almost full. And now the little shop bag's about to go to town in here. Who would have thought when you're bringing back a vehicle back to life, it's just full of junk and the amount of cleaning you have to do. It's like the whole thing is just cleaning. Time to suck. You know the mouse pee is strong when you gotta break up the paint scraper to get the dirt off. Yuck. That's already looking and smelling a whole lot better. I also found another Valentine's Day gift. This one says hope. That's 2 years of Valentine gifts. Got an iPod and a little keychain. This truck is saving me money. What do you got there? Oh. So Casey, I got you a Valentine's Day gift.
Yeah. I got a pup.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh my gosh. Nice.
But wait, there's more.
Brandon just has another girl's name on it. I get it was for me. It says Anna. Who's Anna?
I got you this.
Oh, lovely. Hope. That's another girl's name. What is this?
Gifts. Now, if you're in the Navy, you know Simple Green will do a lot of things. But in the Navy, it was free. But now it's like $2.99. That's too much. So what I got here is some secret spray. You just spray it on. It takes care of the smell and the dirt. Let's let this soak for a little bit. I even wet down the rubber mats, but ready for this? Bam. Secret spray works great. I need 2 rounds of that because this thing is gross. Oh gosh. The old secret spray is working pretty good. Look how clean that is. It smells nice in here too. Tomorrow I'm gonna give this mat a spray and a power vacuum. Hopefully that'll get some of the crud up. I got it soaking in some spray right now, and it's if I hit it with some scrubbing power, it comes out. So hopefully the vacuum with the little brush on it will eat right into it. But yeah, it doesn't smell like pee in here anymore. That's good. So I'm trying to clean up these rubber mats using my secret sauce and the power sucker. It's getting them pretty decent. They're returning to black. This is what they used to look like. And that's just some spillage. But I think it won't turn out all right. It'll be fine. So if you're curious how I'm turning this thing from a dark brown to light brown, you just give it a couple little spritzes, get it nice and wet. Come in here with your little aggravator 100. Give her a good old agitation. Once you're good and agitated, you turn on your vacuum. And you suck up the disgustingness. Make sure you have a water sleeve in your vacuum, and I've found the brush attachment works the best for sucking up this mud. for the delicate stuff, I'm using some Armor All Protectant New Car, because this is a new car to me, so we want it to smell like one. And it's bringing back this 80s blue to whatever color it's supposed to be. This is what it did look like. Freaking dusty and gross. Yuck. But she's coming back. The floor dried out again, so I don't think that'll look... You'll probably be saying, whatever. It's a farm truck. Why is it getting this much love anyways? Who knows? But the top is definitely, she is gone. She just eats Armor All. Not too bad. Even got the dash, the glove box to stay up. And I'm super glad nobody cut out this yet. I'm gonna leave it the road gear. It works. And I think that's an aux port. So I'm gonna try that out. But the radio says moist. Nice. She cleaned up okay. And while it's clean, look, I got functioning vents. Look at that. That is cool. How many of those still work today, huh? That's AC right there. Let me close that. It's winter time. What am I thinking? So while the inside's drying, I'm gonna take my damp Armor All rag and see if I can bring some life back into this seat. Oh yeah. Why waste product if you already got it on the rag, right? Oh man. Now the driver's side can't be saved, but we can get a cover for that. Oh, nice. And with the interior looking relatively okay, I'm gonna put the seat back in it. Not bad. I mean, the seat's all the way forward, but she cleans up decent enough. Well, I'll say this thing came back to life pretty decently. The floor is pretty much toast, but I think some more soap, probably my pressure washer would help that thing, honestly, because it's got so much grime on it. Pretty happy with the way she came out. I wish the seat was better, but whatever. We'll get one of those Western style seat covers for a cheap price. Glad I got the glove box fixed. Got the radio nice and cleaned. Gotta get some speakers for the old door and remove that garbage. But yeah, I think it's definitely drivable now. It doesn't smell like rat pee. The dash it absorbed all that Armor All. I mean, it's still cracked and destroyed, but at least it's blue now, not like dusty. I don't know what's going on with the door panels, why they're a different color, but they both match. So is the bottom. Maybe the dash is, who knows, Ford, whatever, weird. Well guys, thanks for watching. If you made it this far, consider subscribing. We're still got a lot of work to do on this this old pig, but we'll get it back. If you have any suggestions as to what I should do next with this thing, let me know. I've got a fuel pump coming. I'd like to do the fuel system and get my boat tank back to where she belongs. But yeah, now I can just sit in here and not suffocate. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.